¿Cuánto?
What's up, bro?
57. Güey, se llevó mala mía.
Dude, your mom, I told her to be, que me dejara el card so we could check it, y no me ha dicho. Look at all these signs, bro. Look. You got 1, 3, 2, 3, 4 fucking lights, bro. Okay, Ulises, you ready for the builder one?
¿Cómo que no?
Oh shit, we're gonna get copyrighted, okay?
Oh.
So what, should we lose the fucking thing or what?
The what? The wing?
The little wing?
You take it off or what?
Or should we keep it?
It's recording on me.
I said we lose it, no? I feel like...
Traded this faggot, the sedan for the hatch. How do you feel, bro?
I feel like I got finessed it. That's what I fucking feel.
Swear, huh?
Fucking you wasted like, what, 600 bucks?
800.
Oh, nah, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, with everything.
Yeah, and the title.
Tabs and everything.
Exactly.
Title, yeah. 800, but I wasted
Almost 2?
almost 2, yeah, with change of name and everything.
You got finesse, bro.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today's mission is to clean up the engine bay just a little bit. Ulises is gonna open it, fool.
Stop pulling it.
What are you gonna take off?
I don't know, everything.
We went to Ace, copped up some paint. Todo lo atrás se va a pintar. And let's get to it. So far, I got pretty much everything. Right now I'm gonna get some warm water from inside and hit it. Been using that. Says it works pretty good. Ulises is taking apart interior, got it out more, painting it the pieces that are not color match. He's gonna paint them black. Might get a new radiator support because this one's all bent, as you can see. Previous owner, I don't know if he got in a wreck or what. Right here it's like all bent. Right here you could tell some parts, but that's later down the road, not right now. Right now I'm focused on cleaning the engine bay and getting the motor in and everything. Go there. Your custom made gun. Got warm water right over here. Warm water works pretty good and everything. Let's try that. God damn, that's dirty. I'm gonna have to re-hit it. Man, that thing smells like ass. You know what I forgot to do? Scrub it.
You don't think they'll get mad if it's black?
Who's gonna get mad? It's our freaking garden. Alright. The difference a little bit cleaner. Let's go with round number 2. Alright, there's the second pass right there. I'm gonna see if I can get something to scrub. Found what I can scrub. Man, leaves everywhere. I hate these leaves. Why? Because they leave like fat stain, like ugly stain. Like I don't know how to explain it.
I have a picture of it. I don't think I'm gonna put it back on.
Weight reduction.
Say 0.1 seconds.
That shit weighed like nothing.
Me and Smokey got hot chocolate and some coffee, right, Smokey?
Yeah.
¿Qué olis cómo va? Okay, so far taking out power steering already. I don't know how to reroute those ones, but I'll end up probably rerouting those. So far the engine bay looks somewhat decent. This is what I've been taking off so far. That part is pretty rusted, so I'm gonna take that off. Probably clean it up a little bit and then either powder coat it or spray paint it out. I don't even know right now. Take some of these brackets off, probably hide some of these wires. Let's see. Lisa's painting the flat black in the back. Actually looks pretty badass. So I'm gonna end the video here. As you can see, Ulysses is still spraying the back of the hatch. Pretty much it's a waiting game now because I'm waiting for the block. I'm still back-ordered on some parts like springs and retainers, my ARP head studs. I'm still looking onto what intercooler to run and piping, wastegate, sorry about that, and either go top mount or just regular bottom. I'm not sure yet on that. I'm still seeing that. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna get what's it called, the S300, the Hondata. I need to get that too as well. And it's a process. I mean, it's so far it's looking good, thank God. And I mean, we got Christmas around the corner. A lot of people are just focused on Christmas and stuff. And I just can't wait to get done with all this and then at least start with the build, you know? At least start getting things in. So, I mean, it's cold as hell as well too. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out, guys.